Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a spooky Halloween spider makeup look that's perfect for Halloween. Let's get started. First, I applied a serum all over the face for a smooth base and followed up with a moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. For the eyes, I used concealer as a base and set it up with compact powder to make sure everything stays in place. Next, I used a light black eyeshadow as eyeliner, creating a line, then layered a darker black eyeliner on. I blended it out to create that smoky eyeliner look. After that, I set my brows to shape and define them. Moving on to the face, I applied foundation all over the face and blended it evenly. Then I highlighted under my eyes, between my eyebrows, down my nose and on my cheek using concealer to make those areas pop up. Concealer should be blended evenly. Then for the snatch look, I added contour on my cheeks, forehead and nose to add depth and shape to my face. I set everything with compact powder all over my face for a matte look. Then I applied a mix of light black and grey eyeshadow under my eyes for extra depth. I applied blush to the cheeks and blended it to give it a soft look. And for the fun part, I took a color palette and created spider webs on both cheeks in a unique way. Those webs will depend on everyone's creativity. I created those webs with this thing, but you can do it with anything you are comfortable with or is available at your place. You will find it difficult by watching, but when you start doing it, you will find it easy and fun to do. I used a small flat brush to blend the webs, which took some time, but it was worth it for the effect. Make sure to blend it out nicely and evenly. After that, I applied false lashes to make my eyes stand out and added a touch of highlighter under my brows and in the inner corners of my eyes for that extra sparkle. Now for the lips, I started with a dark brown lip liner. Sometimes blending can feel a bit repetitive, but just remember, the more you blend, the smoother everything looks. If you are working on a Halloween look like this one, blending really brings out the wow factor and makes makeup look more professionally done. And you know what? Makeup is so empowering. I feel like each look has a story, and this spider inspired look is all about confidence and creativity. It's cool to express yourself and get into character, even if just for fun. For me, I do such kind of makeup looks for fun when I'm like alone or doing nothing, and I just feel like, yeah, you have to do makeup now, girl. Get up. I'm applying the lipstick, dark brown lipstick, evenly on my lips. Then I did black lipstick on the corners and blended out nicely. And then took a red lipstick and placed it in the center of the lips and blended out with the dark one. I blend the colors together for a gradient effect. Finishing it off with a touch of lip gloss for shine. That's the final look, some finishing touch, and we are ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this Halloween spider makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Halloween looks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.